Hello and Assalamu alaikum viewers. This is your host Farhan Iqbal and you're watching NewsPoint. We will look at the pool data and see how many people are there in each category, and then if the next draw is going to be FSW draw, then what would be the cutoff.
Okay viewers, so over here I have data all the way from the beginning of the year till 31st May when the last draw happened. Last draw was a CEC only draw and the cutoff was 380. The last draw happened actually on a Monday, although we were expecting it on 27th May and 28th May. But for some reason they did not do the draw on Thursday or Friday, rather it was done on Monday. So 26th May draw was exactly 2 weeks after the 12th May draw, which is the regular sequence. The draw in between which happened, it was only a CEC draw, and if we add up the number of people who got ITA in CEC category on 13th May to 20th May, that comes out to close to 6,000, which was the norm in all of these draws, and which is close to what we saw in 31st May, that 6,000 people got ITAs again. So I think this was just a one-off, and we might see the 2 weeks pattern again. So I'm expecting that there would be a draw Wednesday after. It could be an FSW draw. However, if it is not an FSW draw, then it would be a PNP draw, and then we could see a CC only draw on Thursday or Friday. Let's take a look at the number of people in each category. In PNP category, which is 600 above, in 601 to 1200, we have 477 people as of 25th May. However, all of these people would have got their ITs on 26th May. So I have mentioned in the past as well sometime that basically we can ignore these people who are above 600 because for them the cutoff doesn't really matter whenever the draw is going to happen. Doesn't really matter what kind of draw they are going to get the ITS, because if it is FSW draw they are going to get the ITA, and if it is PNP CEC draw, the first PNP draw is going to happen and only then the CEC draw happens. 501 to 600, there are 1700 people, 40 more than what we saw when the data was published on 17th May. So some people who were here in 1661 who were CEC, they would have got their ITS by 20th May. But then some more CEC and FSW people would have created their profile between 20th May and 25th May. So that number is 40. 491 to 500, we are seeing 1000 people and only 28 more than what we saw when the data was published on 17th May. 481 to 490, there are 3000 people. So basically people who are in this category, they are the ones who are kind of uncertain when the draw happens. For an FSW, some of these people might get ITAs and some of people might not get the ITAs. Then 471 to 480, there are about 8400 people, 180 more than what we saw last time. Over here, holistically, if we look from 471 to 1200, there are 14,692 people. Obviously, out of these, PNP people have got the ITS already. Some of these would be CEC people. If I have to take a guess, I would say about 1,000 people from here would be CEC people, and then the remaining 13,500 or whatnot, those would be FSW people. So if the next draw, which happens on the Wednesday after, if 6,500 ITS are issued, 65 I am saying because we are seeing 6,000 ITS in CEC only draw, and we are about seeing 500 ITS in PNP category as well. So I'm confident that when the draw resume, and if it is going to be FSW draw, 6,500 ITS minimum would be issued and 6,500 ITS would be a norm. So if that happens, I believe the cutoff would be 482 to 484, somewhere in between. And for some reason, if they decide to do a bigger draw, because FSW draw would not have happened for a very long time, for about 6 months now, then if 10,000 ITAs are issued, then the cutoff would be around 475.
So now, since we have looked at the poll data, let's talk about that. In my opinion, what are the chances of FSW draw happening in June? I would say it is very close to 50% now. I am almost certain that in July, FSW draws would resume. However, there's, I would say, a 50-50 chance that even in June, we might see an FSW draw. So I wish all the best to all those people who are waiting for the draw for a long time in FSW category. I would say you do not need to worry. It's just a matter of time that the FSW draws will resume. And with 6,000 ITS being issued in each draw, and with lots of CEC people who have already been taken out of the pool, the scores will drop really fast, and soon you will get the ITA. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and do let us know in the comment section that what is your CLS score and for how long you have been waiting in the pool. And also do let us know what is your opinion that when the FSW draws will resume. Until next time, this is your host Farhan Iqbal signing off. Assalamu alaikum.